Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to see story archive of a Facebook page. So let's go to the Facebook page first. Make sure you are logged into your Facebook page, not your regular Facebook account. How you can check this? You have to click on top right this profile icon, and then you will find here that your Facebook profile name and your Facebook page name, and you have to choose the Facebook page name, and then it will be switched to your Facebook page to from Facebook local account. Okay, so this is your Facebook page. Now you have to click on this Facebook page name, which is top left corner, and then you'll find here three dot. Click on this three dot and you'll find here story archive. Click on story archive, and then you'll find here all of story archive. I don't have any story archive because this is the new Facebook page for the tutorial, but in your case you may find some story archive here. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.